Dre, who are the three hottest women? Who are the three hottest women in Jamaica right now? On social media, overall. Three hottest women in Jamaica right now. What do you think?
Brother, three hottest women in Jamaica probably not even known.
Them never dep on social media and none of them things.
Yeah. But we are talking about who the people them know then. My opinion then.
Yeah. Them popular, them dep on social media.
Brother, I'm not telling lie now. I'm sorry, I don't know if I get beaten or not. Yo, it's Lisa. Yeah, it's Lisa now. She not, brother, I don't know. She come like she's here to stay.
After a big woman, yeah man.
She nice.
Keep herself
woman outside way. So
proper.
Me, and brother, her features, she's sweet, bro.
Yeah man. From head to toe.
Sweet. See?
So one, Lisa now.
Yeah, me I go put she up there.
Two more.
Me I go put she up there. I don't know, yo, I don't want those short names just saying them really have a think about this, but me I go with it. Shensia Atu, you know.
Yeah man.
Shensia Atu, you know.
Yep.
Nice facial features too.
Yeah man.
Nice little body. I don't know her personally still, but
she kinda remind me of Lisa Anna too. The kinda mix with kinda similar.
Yeah.
Them have a similar vibe, just that Shensia a singer.
Yeah.
But the two of them have a similar.
Shensia nice too.
That's why I say Jamaica out of many. One people.
Yeah man, Shensia nice, so I go put Shensia in a mix now.
Alright, so one more now.
Whoa, me I want to go social media now. I want to go social media, but me no really see. But me tell you who me like her features as well.
Yeah.
You have this girl with the name, I think a Khalifa or whatever. Khalifa.
So familiar, but me not remember right now. Khalifa.
She have a nice. She not really dip on it like that no. Me not really see her much again.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna give you the third one. Jada Kingdom.
Me not really don't know. Me not really think she's sweet like that. Let me tell you what Jada or me like.
Yeah.
Jada can dress.
Yeah.
Jada does, and she look like a freak to me.
I love her body, I not tell you not that.
Me not like her body like that. Her body not constant.
Me like it, but
let me tell you why me said no. She seemed like, so she was like I saw her the other day.
Yeah.
And she fat.
Yeah man.
I go say fat. Hey, people not like hear that, but body they say body. But me, I stick to my roots. Fat is fat. If you're fat, you're fat.
Yeah,
same like how me short. If a girl look at me and say me short, me have to accept it.
Yeah.
If you're fat, you're fat.
Yeah, so Jada can't vex if you
can't. You know you have a vex. Not Jada per se, but people.
Women who are fat.
If you're fat, you're fat.
Yeah man.
Simple. See?
But what you consider fat though, cause our belly not really big, you know.
So legs. So she's just.
Yeah, our thigh them.
It's just big.
Yeah.
It's just big for me.
Yeah.
See? So I saw her the other day and she got a little bit more bigger than what she was previously.
Yeah,
because she came down. She was big. She came down. However she did it.
Yeah man.
And I saw her the other day and she
was big again.
Yes or no?
That's true man, that's true.
And then she get back slim again now.
She have a little problem with the weight. As you said, it fluctuates.
That is why I not going to give her. That is why I wouldn't say I like. I'm not going to give her that because me can't study the body not constant to me. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why I wouldn't give her it because if you could have maintained the weight now, I can say, oh yeah, that, and then she's clean and crisp to me.
Yeah.
Her skin.
No, Jada, may I give you the same way. I love you.
No problem. May I tell her my preference?
You're not my top three, so.
Yeah.
Lisa Anna, Shensia, and Jada Kingdom.
Alright.
We need your third one, okay? So I put Jada in at the third. So
who you get third? Khalifa girl. But you see, probably you say you don't know her, but me I give she Cause I like for her features as well.
What she sing? What she do?
No man, she's a
Just
social
media.
Yeah man, yeah. Social media girl man.
You have one named Kizzy. Kizzy Dan.
No man. Nah sir. No. not a kizzy that.
Yeah,
Give me them, come here, I go tell her no again. Go on.
you need the Curvy Diva.
No, you're mad? Nah, brother. She not. Same thing like Jada. Fear.
Our weight that fluctuate
not for
too
me.
much.
No, can't do for me.
Alright, well, so there. Yeah, but singer. She inspired Valiant. What's her name again? She knew in the Stark Ashley. What do you think about Stark
nice,
Ashley?
you know? Stark Ashley nice.
Yeah.
Little and neat and whatever.
Yeah, man.
Not my preference either, but she nice.
But she nice, yeah.
Yeah. I wouldn't put her in my top 3.
Yeah.
But she nice.
But she
too.
nice.
Yeah. Stark
Stark
good.
Ashley.
No feel no way. You're nice, same way. But, you know.
So between Stark Ashley and Jada Kingdom, you'd have choose Stark Ashley.
Yeah, for sure. And Mark, you know, yo, it's Jada when it come on to songwriting and shit. Yo, because me like Jada, you know how me like Jada, you know.
Musically.
Yeah, and then sometimes she look almost and she can dress.
Yeah, man.
Jada put
You
on
have to
some
gear
shit.
that, yeah, man.
Yeah, dog.
Always well put together.
Yeah, her shit them tough, bro. I always say that about her. Yo, she always know some gears where different, brother.
Yeah.
You see me? So none of them can fuck with Jada when it come to dressing. No shit sensual and nobody. See, but it's just that me have my pros and my cons with Jada.
Right.
That's why I wouldn't really put her in my top 3.
Right.
You understand? Because over there, so she's excellent in this, and then there's a she fall off.
Yeah.
For me, yeah. So no beat me, just have my preference on preference. Don't kill me, yeah, please.